everyone, and welcome back to another origami video. If you saw my previous video about making an origami frog and that was a bit difficult, this one should be a bit more easier. Today we are working on a paper fortune teller. No need anything special, the typical white printer paper. I have a ruler so I can show you the measurements in a bit. So you will want your paper vertical, and then you would take one side to the other edge. I'll show you guys just so I can move it. So you will line it up perfectly, and then give it a nice fold. Okay, so now you have this. You take the piece here, and then you connect it to this piece. And that would look like this. Okay, so this little strip is actually, you don't need it. What we'll be using is the square section here. I can take the scissors, give it a cut. Actually, I'm gonna fold it so it'll be an easier cut. So now we have a square piece of paper. If you open it up, it should be fairly even. If you guys want the measurements, I'll do it in centimeters. Line it up, 0. It's a little bit more than 21. It's about 21 and a half. And that should be both vertical and horizontal. Okay. So once you have the square, open it up like this, and then we're gonna take the corners. Doesn't matter which corner. You take one, and then you fold it directly to the middle. And you would do that for all 4 corners. Okay, so now you get a smaller box, right? And then you flip it over, flip the paper over, and then make sure you rotate it so in the shape of a diamond. And now you will proceed with the same steps. Take the corner of each edge and then fold them towards the center again. This should be an easier fold. When you're folding origami, make sure you're patient. There's no rush. Give it a nice crease. Even do it over a few times. Okay. Keep in mind that this is a pre-recorded video, so if you miss something or you're a little behind, just go back in the video, turn it back. So once you folded this like this, just hold in a square, and then crease it in half. So hold down the edges, crease it in half. Give it a nice press, and then flip it this way, and then give the other side a press. Okay, now you would take this side. This side is the one that has the openings. This side doesn't. So it will be this side with the square openings. Slide your finger into one, and then slide your finger into another one. Open them up, press them together. So like that, press them together. Take your fingers and put them in this one, and then another one in this one. And then you should have something like a mouth. Press it together, and then this will be your fortune teller. So it's supposed to be like this. You kind of have like 4 cones. And then this. You have writing here, 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 here. And then usually you would give a number. Let's say 3, 1, 2, 3. And then there will be options inside each of these boxes. So you could do more numbers or a color. And then if it's a color, you would spell that. So if we say someone picks, this says green, you say Green. And then if it's the same, they will pick one more time, and whatever side they pick, let's say they pick this corner, you will open it up, and then there will be the fortune for them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.